Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Crema Nuns is probably one of the most versatile and delightful treats you can find, offering a unique blend of creamy filling encased in a delicate, crisp wafer that melts in your mouth, making it a perfect indulgence for any time of day, whether you're seeking a sweet pick-me-up or a sophisticated dessert to share. Number 5. Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Lemon Lime. Experience the next level of hydration with our advanced formula. It's designed to replenish your body efficiently and effectively. Packed with essential electrolytes, this mix helps restore balance to your system. Feel revitalized and ready for anything. Enjoy the crisp and invigorating taste of lemon lime. It's a delicious way to stay hydrated throughout your day. Simply mix with water for a quick and easy hydration solution. Each pack provides multiple servings for your convenience. Support your overall well-being with proper hydration. This is your go-to for feeling your best, every single day. What we like? Experience unparalleled hydration with this advanced electrolyte powder. Its scientifically formulated blend replenishes essential minerals faster than water alone. If you're an athlete, a busy professional, or simply need to rehydrate quickly after a long day, this is your go-to solution for optimal performance and well-being. What people say? The product is very easy to use and clean. It produces a rich and creamy foam for coffee drinks. The design is sleek and fits well in my kitchen. Number 4. CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30. Start your day with essential sun protection. This lightweight formula provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Experience the best of both worlds. It hydrates your skin throughout the day while offering crucial sun defense, all in one easy step. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides, it helps restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. It's designed to keep your skin feeling soft and healthy. Worry-free application is guaranteed. This oil-free moisturizer is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, making it suitable for all skin types. Make it your go-to morning moisturizer. It's the perfect way to protect and nourish your skin before you step out into the sun. What we like? Achieve hydrated, sun-protected skin with this daily facial moisturizer. It provides essential moisture while shielding your skin from harmful UV rays. If you're looking for a lightweight, non-greasy daily moisturizer with built-in sun protection, especially for normal to oily skin types, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The product is very easy to use and clean. It has a powerful motor that grinds coffee beans quickly and evenly. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in any kitchen. Number 3. Body Firm Crepe Erase Body Repair Treatment. Introducing the Body Firm Crepe Erase Body Repair Treatment. This advanced formula is designed to target the visible signs of aging on your body. It works to support your skin's natural production of elastin and collagen. This helps to improve the firmness and texture of your skin. Experience a visible reduction in the appearance of wrinkles and crepey skin. Achieve a smoother, more youthful look. Our rich, nourishing formula deeply hydrates and conditions your skin. It leaves your body feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Incorporate this treatment into your daily routine for firmer, smoother, and more radiant-looking skin. Reveal your skin's natural beauty. What we like? Transform your skin with this targeted body repair treatment. It's designed to visibly firm and smooth the appearance of crepey skin, supporting your skin's natural renewal processes. If you're concerned about age-related skin texture changes and want to restore a more youthful, supple appearance to your body, this cream is formulated for you. What people say? The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from competitors. Number 2. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our Vitamin C Serum, a potent blend designed to revitalize your complexion. It's formulated to bring out your skin's natural brightness. Combat the visible signs of aging with this advanced formula. It works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing smoother skin. Tired of dark spots? This serum targets and reduces the appearance of discoloration. Achieve a more even and uniform skin tone. Experience deep hydration thanks to the inclusion of hyaluronic acid. It plumps your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Enriched with vitamin E, this serum provides antioxidant benefits. It helps protect your skin from environmental stressors while nourishing it. Gentle yet effective, this formula is suitable for all skin types. Enjoy a brighter, more youthful appearance regardless of your skin's needs. What we like. Reveal a brighter, more youthful complexion with this potent vitamin C serum. It effectively targets dark spots and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you're seeking to improve skin tone, boost radiance, and combat the visible signs of aging, this serum is ideal for all skin types. What people say. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into my kitchen. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is great for brewing. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. Collagen Elastin Cream with Vitamins A and E. Turn back the clock on aging skin. Our advanced formula works to restore your skin's natural elasticity and firmness. Experience the potent benefits of vitamins A and E. These essential nutrients help combat the signs of aging for a smoother complexion. Quench your skin's thirst with intense hydration. This cream deeply nourishes to leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Achieve a more toned appearance with regular use. It helps to visibly firm and tighten your skin, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Harness the power of collagen and elastin. These vital proteins are key to maintaining your skin's structure and youthful bounce. Incorporate this luxurious cream into your daily routine. Reveal a brighter, more radiant complexion with every application. What we like. Restore your skin's youthful firmness and elasticity with this nourishing cream. It combines collagen and elastin with essential vitamins to deeply hydrate and plump the skin. If you desire a firmer, smoother, and more hydrated complexion and are looking for an effective anti-aging solution for your face and neck, this cream is a perfect fit. What people say. The product is very easy to use and clean. It has a sleek design that looks great in any kitchen. The performance is excellent, delivering consistent results every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.